Learn on how to change the battery for the PTR Elite Key Fob. This will be the key fob that comes with the Elite, front and back. On the back you'll notice that there's one screw on either side, and what you'll need for this is a small Phillips head screwdriver and also a small flathead screwdriver. So first, start off with the first screw. You want to be careful where you put these because they are extremely small. You don't want to lose them. Then you go around to the other side. Alright, and then once you got that, then you take your small flathead. You'll notice the little indentation here. You just want to squeeze it in between and then just lift it off. Put that aside. You'll notice that there are two screws on one screw on either side. So again, just unscrew these. And then you want to carefully remove this whole chip that will come along with the batteries. Take the old batteries out, put those aside, get your other batteries, which should be the CR 2016. The shinier side is the positive side, and then the not so shiny side is negative. So you want to put it back in and make sure the shiny positive side is facing down, and you'll even notice this square platform right here. And then just slide it right back in, and then you want to carefully replace the whole set. Make sure that the screws line up. And then proceed to put it back together. Once you're done with that, get your back plating. You'll notice the little positive sign right here. You want to line that up with the battery. It's how you know it's facing the right way. Make sure it snaps into place, and then take your two screws and screw it back into place. And that's how you replace the batteries on the PTR Elite Key Fob.